Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to an update on Hbar and Hedera. Let's get right into it. Hbar has been very bullish. I covered it yesterday. Wanted to make an update because, well, if you watched my video yesterday, I did expect that we would be able to break above our main resistance yesterday, which was 7.6 cents. And that we would, I actually thought we would find some resistance at 8 and 8.2 cents, and then from there find resistance, take a break retest off of 7.6, perhaps even consolidate, and then afterwards get up to to this new level at 8.7 and 8.5. Well, eventually we did that a little bit quicker, as you can see. I don't even think we found a little resistance at 8 cents. But yeah, Hedera has been very bullish, and that's why I wanted to make an update. We also reached our price target, that 8.7, 8.5 cents level. Was my price target in the video, and now we have some other very important questions, like can we actually get to 10 cents, which would obviously be amazing. I don't know if I've ever said this before, but I actually hold some Hbar somewhere on some weird exchange. But yeah, so it's good to see this. But apart from that, Hedera has also just been doing great things. Great statistics around that. The total value locked has grown to $155 million, which is 100% up from the beginning of this year when it was around 74, 71 even, so it's more. So the ecosystem is actually doing great as well. There has been great development on the ecosystem, not only in total value locked, but also just in general. So yeah, great, definitely deserved as well. It's a great project. That's causing a lot of this bullish momentum. The volume right now in the weekend is fairly high as well, at around 201 million. If we take a look at the source of that volume, that worries me a little bit. There's quite a lot of volume in percentage of the total that's coming from sources which I would deem as not 100% reliable, like BitTrue and especially UpBit. So I don't like this. Usually that means that there's at least increased risk in the price. Increase the risk of volatility, so that could also be up, all right, don't get me wrong, but we have to keep that in mind. So we hit our next price target, found some resistance there. When I did the analysis, we actually found some more resistance than what it looks like right now. But the big thing is it looks like we're breaking above 8.7 and 8.75 cents, and the logical outcome is then that we'll get up to this level here at 9.2 and 9.3 cents. You would think that 9 cents is also a resistance level because it's a psychological level, but as a matter of fact, it really isn't that strong. We have reacted to that in the past, but that stronger level really is between 9.2 and 9.3 cents, as you can see. And then the main level is really around 10 cents. And the psychological sides of 10 cents are way stronger than 9 cents, but also in market circumstances like these, that's a stronger level because, as most of you know, the markets around Hbar are not that great right now. But the thing is right now is that I do expect for Hbar that we'll be able to break above 8.7. This candle closes in about 2.5 hours, so it still takes some time, but the main thing we want to do is we want to break above 8.7 cents. If we'll be able to do that, then we'll get up to 9.2, 9.3 cents, and then I think we'll be able to take a break retest and get all the way up to, yes, that level between 9.6 and 10 cents. The problem I have with saying this though is the volume, and that worries me quite a bit, to be 100% transparent with you. If there's a lot of volume coming from UpBit, coming from Korean exchanges, I've seen a lot of times that we just have massive rallies and then drop down quite severely. Not always. For example, with Aptos we had it, there it was a little bit less and we actually did not crash. But I'm just worried about that, alright? So I really think we need to break above 8.7 cents now, and preferably even take a break retest off of it. Because if we will not be able to do that with this candle, so if we'll close down below 8.7 cents, I think it's just more likely that we'll start to fall down to 8 cents. Maybe we'll find some support at 8 cents, but then we'll drop down to 7.6, 7.5 and consolidate. And I do think we can keep this bullish momentum with Hedera because in the end the network is doing great as well. But technically it will then obviously be a little bit more bearish. So I do expect, just purely technically and based on the momentum that Hedera has right now, that this is still the most likely scenario, but we have to get our conclusions right if we are not able to break above 8.7 cents in the next 1 or 2 candles. Alright, so that's my take on Hedera and Hbar for now. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.